here is the best strategy to book appointments on your schedule using AI and LinkedIn. But before I show you that, I want to show you some results of this strategy. It's a call and a meeting we had with Mordecai, and they said, hey, we'd love to chat and learn more, David. How does early next week sound? And we booked a call with him. Here's an example with Mindy as well. We had a conversation on LinkedIn. Sounds great. Here's my calendar if you'd like to find a time, and we booked the call. How does this actually work? Well, the first thing is we use a technology called Ace Revealer, which is a pixel that we install in your website, and it's able to help us identify your anonymous website visitors. Once we're able to start to install this pixel, this is what it does look like. We get their email address, their first and last name, their LinkedIn URL, job titles, location, all of that information to help us understand who they are, and more importantly, to start reaching out to them. Then the next thing is we load all of those LinkedIn profiles and information into our platform here, our automation platform, and then we begin conversations with them using automations. And we have a whole lot of messages that are automatically sent out. And then we have a system here, Apex, that tracks all of these conversations in real time and helps us understand who's connected with us on LinkedIn, who's replied to us, who is not interested, who is interested, until they become sold. And that's it. That's our system. And this works for us consistently day in, day out. If you're interested in setting this up for your business, then definitely reach out to us. Link is in the bio, and I'll be happy to set this up.